Plants respond to different factors. Describe how plants respond to stimuli: heat, light, gravity. A plant bends or grows directly in response to light. Shoots usually move toward the light, roots usually move away from it. To be able to make their own food, the plant's leaves must face the sunlight. Plants do not have legs and are unable to get up and move to the lighted area. However, plants can respond to light. A plant stem, which provides support for the upper portion of the plant, will bend toward the light so the leaves can capture the sunlight. So if you look at the picture, the stems are bending towards the light so the leaves can capture the sunlight. Gravity. The roots grow downward in the direction of gravity, and the shoot grows upward away from gravity. So if we look, the roots are going to grow down, the stems are going to grow up. Roots grow down because of gravity. Roots must grow down into the soil because they need to soak up water and nutrients. If you turn a plant on its side, the roots would continue to grow downward due to the force of gravity. The stem and leaves, however, overcome the force of gravity and grow upward. If the plant was turned on its side, the stem would continue to grow upward toward the light. Heat. Leaf budding is one way that plants respond to heat. The buds come out when the temperature warms. The buds change into leaves. The seeds start to grow. Plants that live in warm environments have had to adapt. Some of these plants, like cacti, store water in the stem and have smaller leaves so they don't lose water due to evaporation. Other plants that encounter fires frequently have adapted their life cycles. Some conifers will stay shut until after there has been a forest fire with high amounts of heat. After the fire, the cones will open and burst out their seeds. These types of plants wait for this so that the fire has cleared much of the plants around. This will enable the offspring, the seed, to survive without much competition. So if you look here, here's a pine cone before the heat. Here's a pine cone after the heat. And these are the seeds, the pine seeds that come out of the pine cone. All right, pause the video. See if you can answer these questions. Question 1, what is the most likely reason that this plant is bending to the side? A, it has been attacked by insects. B, it needs water. C, it needs carbon dioxide and oxygen. D, it is turning towards the sun. Question number 2, what will happen to the root of this plant that is on its side? A, the roots will grow downwards. B, the roots will grow downwards due to gravity. C, the roots and stem will both grow upwards toward the sun. D, the stem will grow downwards towards the nutrients.